is going to be on my double or nothing to GT combo, and it looks like this. This tutorial I'm going to be using the Yo-Yo Factory Halo, Angela's signature yo-yo. This trick does have an element that requires neutral tension, so before doing this trick, make sure you have all the tension out of your string. You're going to throw a double or nothing, and then hold the string with your thumb on your free hand and curl with the 3 fingers on your throw hand. And that'll give you more room to play with. So you're going to double or nothing, you're going to hop the yo-yo into this string here, while also taking it over your free hand, like that. If you know the basic inverted GT, then you'll recognize where we get to from this double or nothing, like that. Double or nothing, and then pinch with your pointers, just like that. So now that we're here, I'm going to pop the yo-yo up and over your throw hand, like that. So when you do that, you're basically going to take your pointers and roll them in like that. Just away from each other and then point forward. And just like that. And then you're going to take this finger on your free hand and go from one string across to 2, and you're going to undercut the yo-yo to land on this string here. Just like that. And then here you want to take this finger on your free hand and pull it out of this loop while also pinching this string here, and it looks like that. And that leaves you in a GT and his brother with slack here. And this is the part where you need the neutral tension. So again, make sure that's all out. So when you're doing this one, it helps if you keep the momentum from underpassing it and then pinch, and you're gonna let go of the GT on your free hand, and then re-catch it after the suicide, just like that. Now that you're here, you want to let go of all the strings on your free hand and roll over your throw hand, like that. While also intercepting the string that's tucked between the 3 fingers on your throw hand. And you can intercept it when it's coming over, and it looks like that. And now you're in a GT and his brother. And then we're here, roll over, intercept, and then you're going to pop the yo-yo behind all the strings and land back on this one right here. Just like that. And you can let go of any of these strings on your throw hand, and you're in GT. Pop out the front and bind. So again, double or nothing, roll over the free hand, roll over the throw hand, undercut, suicide, roll over, intercept, GT to GT. Here's an easier version of this trick that takes away the suicide and does a 360 roll if you get sick of dropping that GT and having to pick it out of your yo-yo. It looks like that. So when you intercept for the first GT, you would let that momentum carry the yo-yo forward and intercept everything with your finger and roll in the front once and then in the back, then roll over, and that puts you back in the GT to GT. You can add them both together to where you do a suicide, then a 360. It looks like that. I hope you found the trick fun to do. If you have any issues with it, please leave a message in the comments and I'll get back to you. So yeah, enjoy the trick. Have a good night. Thank you.